family as they build their dream home in a small town southeast of Dallas, Texas.
It's very quiet. You can hear the birds. Sometimes you can hear the water. Occasionally it can get a little loud with boats on the water, but at nighttime everything calms down and it's very quiet.
As they prepare the lot for building, trees will need to be cleared. The trees that will be removed are tagged with yellow tape.
This isn't really an area that we had considered before. I've always loved living at the lake. We've always loved sunset views. I grew up on a lake, so it was kind of a big part of my heart that I was trying to get back to. But we like peaceful, we like quiet. We moved here from the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so we've mostly lived in small towns most of our lives, but we lived in Dallas-Fort Worth for several years and just got really tired of the traffic, the noise, and we're hoping to find a place where we could just sit and watch the sunsets that we enjoy so much in a quiet, peaceful area. This particular lot was the only one that was for sale that was heavily treed. All the others had no trees or just a couple of small ones. This one we actually ended up having to take out about 20 trees, and we still have a front yard and backyard full of trees. This one tree in the front yard is just absolutely amazing.
The beautiful lake view that will be visible from the front porch. Fill dirt is used to create a firm and reliable foundation. Site surveying is done to ensure precise house placement within the lot. Foundation forms are put into place with temporary electric and water lines in preparation for the concrete.
This week at our lot started with them bringing in some dirt last weekend, and then the surveyor came in and they actually did the site survey in order to put the house on the lot. They got that all measured out, and they have now put in temporary electric and a water line, and they got the plumbing set and then the footing set, so that hopefully next week they'll be ready to pour the foundation. Right now we're just waiting to make sure that all the measurements are correct and that the plumbing is all in the correct place so that they can get that started.
Cable lock is installed in preparation for the foundation pour. Cable lock ensures the foundation forms are secure for the concrete pour. Cedar planks dry in preparation for use as siding and trim on the exterior of the home. Concrete has been poured and cured to complete the foundation process. Wood that will be used for framing is delivered to the site. Come back and see how the Pate build progresses through the framing process in Part 2.